At the beginning of the movie, there is a guy, a small kid, and that guy you have watched recently in which series? You have to comment below and tell me. And at the end of this movie, there is a girl that came. Tell me, where did you see her, and what are the other series or web series that she has been doing it, or drama? What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and today I am going to review a Korean classic movie, Memories of a Murder. Especially after The Parasite, he earned a good repute in an international cinema, and he is among top actors internationally and in Korea as well. This movie really did very well, and the rating was very best, and especially the story is more engaging. It tells you that how this bureaucracy work, how the system works, and how if something will happen in a very small remote town, you have no option how to go through that phase. So this happens in this small village. There are a couple of incidents that happen. A serial killer is killing women, young and old, and every time there is a typical song on the rainy day is being listened by someone. Right after that song, somebody loses the life. So there is this cop who is from all these village cops. They are there already, and there comes a guy from Seoul also. They are looking into different directions, different things, trying to pursue who is a pervert or who is looking at the girls like this. So they are drilling at the wrong route. So his wife was also telling him, why not you look at somewhere else, whereas you already found out that these people are innocent, and all those people, those who are being investigated, they have to pay the price, and you will see what happens. So now they have to trace how the things are happening, and now they are becoming more closer as they reach one step to another step. They found out different people, but the main culprit was always hiding somewhere else. Finally, as they come close to that one, they have no clue, or they have no technology to find out who how we can match his DNA and all these things. So they, for this, they have to send this document to America. But since things can be manipulated, that's what the culprit did. And you will really enjoy this. It's very beautiful to watch it. And the another movie I will review it is also similar like this. I hope you will really enjoy it. It's good to watch it. It's still on Netflix and very superb thriller. And I hope you will enjoy it. Have a great day. Take care of your loved ones and stay safe. Bye bye.